I'm going to show you how to put a Ghost Immobiliser into service mode. So let's jump in. Firstly, what we need to do is turn the ignition on, but do not start the vehicle. So once the ignition's all on, you enter your current code, and what you do, you wait for the 2 indicator flashes. So we've got the 2 flashes. Now put a foot hard on the accelerator and keep it there. Now enter the service button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the indicator will flash back at you 5 times. And that's it. So you can turn the ignition off, get your foot off the accelerator. Now this vehicle is in service mode. So what that means is that you could start the vehicle up without having to enter the code each time. The only thing is, if you drive over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes, it will pull out service mode. So next time you try to start it, it either won't start or won't go into gear, whatever it's been configured to do. Now, and also if you want to pull out service mode, all you do is turn the ignition on, enter your code, and then that will also pull it out service mode. The ideal part of this is the fact that if you want to put it into a garage and you need to have them, you don't want to tell them what the code is, or even want to tell them that it's got Ghost in there, and they need to get it in and out of the workshop, put it into service mode, and they could just drive it in and out without any issues at all. Now the service button really does depend on the vehicle and the make and model of it. So as an installer, we'll tell you exactly what the service button is, but it's not the same with every vehicle. So that's how you put a Ghost Immobiliser into service mode.